Welcome to the Crypto Nest. Alright, so for hot and mining, we had some price action yesterday. We are falling back again, and I wanted to do I think it was this one here, just a bigger picture here. What can happen? This is acting, and I call this a diagonal, and yeah, you can see that I count this as a one, a B, and a C for a bigger wave 1, and this again wave 2, and this is just a big A, B, C for the third wave, and this is why now we have a lot of room to go down. And now if I zoom in a little bit more, you can see that we did reach a little bit past the 0.236 for this allegedly fourth wave. Now, is this fourth wave finished? Well, even though we have three wave down, let me remove the opacity here. Okay, there we go. Even though we did made an A, B, and a C, we did almost reach the 1.236 ratio, wave A, wave C. That's great. So it's going well. But let's remember, because it's a diagonal, it can go even lower. And so, we have so much left room that this could be just an A. And now we could be making to this B wave. And after that, having 5 wave down. This could bring the price around $39. The MA, is this the MA 200? Need to go and check out. No, MA 55, and we do have the 1.618 ratio wave A, wave C for the moment, right? But if the B wave is not finished, then this calculation, we cannot use it. But give us a guidance that perhaps there is something more happening or could happen. So price could be not done with the correction yet. Now, if I do some micro counting of this chart, so you can see I start to label. So I counted this as a wave 1, 2. This is the third. This is the fourth. But now things get complicated because I can find some extension. So this looks like another 1, 2. And you can see if I do micro counting, then we did the 1, 2. This is ABC for the third wave. This is the fourth, and we did another ABC for the fifth. Now, this would just close the third wave. So we close the fifth wave in yellow. That would close the third wave in blue. And so now we are doing this A, B, C for the fourth wave in blue. Now, I'm not even sure this is finished because it can go even lower. And after that, go and push the price higher. So if this is the case, then I am looking forward, even though not 100% sure, if we're doing a diagonal, this is an A, B, C. If we reach $73 and then price reverse, then I could call just all this a wave 1 and a wave 2, which I believe there are some chances this is what Bitcoin could be doing. And so we're going to go higher like that. You can see here it was looking good because we were breaking out from this downtrend. Now I think it's hot and mining is not clear what you want to do, but he is doing. We're looking. We can see some reaction to this downtrend line. Maybe he's attempting to use it as a support. And you can see here we do have a lot of you know, a lot. We have quite of support. Well, before was resistance, now could have support. So let's see how it goes with that. And yeah, so worst case scenario, price will still go lower. Maybe we're going to retest the 0.5 fib retracement, or even go lower. Let's say $40, which it would coincide eventually maybe with the MA55. So this could be a strong support. And here we had also a 39.34, another peak of resistance that could flip support as well. So this would be the worst case scenario. We go and retest or test the 0.618 fib retracement for this fourth wave. And the invalidation point would be if price really substantially drop below for an extended period of time. I'm not saying just a week down, but you know, several candles. That would be an invalidation for me, and I will have to recount my counts. I want to go and check the RSIs now on the daily. What's the what are we talking about here? So we're not oversold yet. So you know, would we have been oversold? Well, actually, it would have been a little bit impossible because we're kind of having kind of side movements, right? We go a little bit higher, but you know, slightly high and on the side. But this is great because if we continue to do that, then RSI is going to reset. And you know, I'm not saying that, you know, necessarily every time hot end mining is oversold that price is going to jump out. In fact, here you see we were oversold and then price did keep going lower, but eventually it did change direction and did quite a nice yeah, bounce to the upside. So, but this is really if we are really oversold. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.